A very important thing you must always remember is that Crypto Trend Rider is a trading analysis software, not a currency exchange or a trading service. In order to make profits from the signal CTR gives you, you need to be able to buy and sell crypto coins in the first place, and that will not be possible without a retail exchange wallet. This is a service that converts your physical, government-backed money, like the US dollar, into major digital coins that serve as the standard for trades in the crypto world, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to set up your first account in the largest retail exchange service currently available, Coinbase, along with its branch for more advanced users, GDAX. We recommend all of CTR's traders to have a Coinbase account, so the way you start is by going to coinbase.com and clicking on the Sign Up button. Under the tab named Individual, add your first and last names followed by your email and your password. Coinbase will then send a verification link to the email you registered. Now go to your email, open the message, and click on Verify Email Address. You will then be required to register your phone number. Select your country, type your number, and click on Send Code. Wait a few minutes until you receive a 7-digit code from Coinbase, which you will then type here before clicking on Submit. Your Coinbase account is set. In your dashboard page, you can see the rates for the crypto coins the platform works with: Bitcoin and its variant Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. On the Accounts tab on the top of the page, you can check how much you own on each crypto. Currently, you don't have any money on Coinbase. To buy crypto coins, you will have to link your bank account by going to the Settings tab and, on the second row of options, selecting Linked Accounts. After clicking on Link a New Account, you will be presented with 3 options for your money transfer: a bank account if you want to buy and sell large amounts of money, a credit/debit card for small amounts, and a PayPal account, to which you can only sell your money from Coinbase. Select Bank Account, which is the standard for all types of trades, and then find your branch, at which point you will have to log in with your bank ID and password. Once your credentials have been accepted, your bank account will appear on this list. You are now able to buy and sell crypto coins. To do that, click on the Buy and Sell tab on the top of the page. On the left side of the page, you will see your options for buying and selling cryptos, while on the right you will see a summary of your invoice, including the times for your funds to be available and the fees charged by Coinbase. Have a careful look on this information, because not all payment methods are charged the same fees or have to undergo the same waiting periods. For example, while debit cards will buy you cryptos instantly, they suffer higher fees than bank accounts, which, in turn, can only send or receive funds after around 4 to 5 business days. To make the transaction, select the crypto you want to buy and then select your preferred payment method. Finally, write the amount in your currency you want to exchange for the selected crypto or vice versa, and click on the blue Buy button to confirm your order. Once the transaction is complete, you will find your crypto holdings listed on the Accounts page. If you are a more experienced trader who wants to deal with large transactions for a fraction of the usual fees, then you should also open an account on Coinbase's twin service GDAX. Once you have a Coinbase account ready, setting up your account on GDAX is pretty easy. Just click on Create Individual Account and accept the GDEX user terms. Because you previously verified your phone on Coinbase, you don't need further verifications here. Just click on Next and then fill up this form with your basic personal information. You will then end up on GDEX's trading screen. As you already have a Coinbase wallet, transfers between your Coinbase and GDEX accounts will be instantaneous and free. With these two services, you have set the basics to start your trades with the aid of CTR.